Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello students, welcome to the class, and I am here to teach you the beautiful poem that is Teamwork. The heading itself tell you what is the poem about. So before we go to the poem, let's have the introduction about the poet. The poet of the poem is Jan Negro. Jan Negro was a New Zealand artist and poet. She was an artist. She used to do drawing and paintings. Even she wrote many beautiful poems. Born 16th April 1920 and died 28th March 2012. So this is the introduction about the poet. So the poem Teamwork. What is the meaning of teamwork? Teamwork means the cooperative effort of a team of a people to achieve a common goal. So to achieve a common goal, a single purpose, and a whole team they work for that's a common goal. See, in life, if we have to do something, we can't do it alone. We need the help of someone or other. We need the help of somebody to do any work, and especially the great fame, the happiness and the celebration can't do alone by a person. We need a group of people. Even if we are very sad, we want someone to be with us to console us. If we are very happy, we need a group of people to celebrate. We alone we can't do any celebration. We need the people. And if when you have to do any work, you need the help of people. And a team is a group of people who put their effort equally for the common goal, for the common result, for the common glory or achievement. See, for example, every year you celebrate annual day function in your school. So what you do? Each and every student will have their own effort to make the function success. It is the cooperative work of everybody. You alone can't do the annual function. From 2 to 3 hours, can you be on the stage alone? No, it's a teamwork. Everybody is needed. You cannot say that that person is very weak and he can't do anything. That person is very fat and he can't do anything. No, each and every one will be having their own responsibility and their equal effort is needed to achieve the goal. We cannot depress anyone saying that you are very lean and you are very weak, you can't come to play with us. If you come to our team, we are going to defeat. No, each and every people are important and their role is that much important to achieve the goal. You cannot remove anybody saying that you are no use, like that. So teamwork is very important. See, in this poem many examples are given what are there we have to achieve, how we can achieve the goal with the help of the team. Some examples are given in this poem. It's a beautiful poem with a beautiful message that we need a team to achieve something and there should be a common goal and each and every person is important. You cannot say that I am the leader and I am the only important person, I am the man of the match. No, everybody is important in the team. They will be having their own effort and their unique role and their equal cooperation to achieve the goal. So it's a beautiful poem written by Jan Negro. Let's go to the poem now. Teamwork. Together we can make our dream work. See how beautiful it is given. Teamwork. Together we can make our dream work. We can make our dream reality only with the help of the team, with the help of all the members of the team. Teamwork. Together we can make our dream work. We can make our dream work into reality. Then we will share the joy what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. See, after achieving the goal, see for example you play many sports, many games you play team. So say some kabaddi you play, kho you play, there will be a group a team will be there, and when everybody play their role, when everybody do their effort, put their equal effort, and when they win the match, and the happiness and the celebration you do, it's awesome. You will clap each other, you will hug each other, you will smile to each other. How happiness you will show to others. It is only because of each and every cooperation of the team. And sometimes it happens that you may defeat, and you start blaming each other. It's because of you and it's because of you. So see, when we have to achieve something, we have to work together, and we should trust each other that that person is going to do good for us, and we should have a common goal to achieve something. And when you get the success, that is a great joy what you celebrate with each other among with your team members. Teamwork, together we can make our dream work. Then we will share the joy, what have we done. Teamwork, everyone. So everybody are equal, everybody are important to achieve the goal, and each and everyone will be having their unique role to play the game or to do the work and to achieve a common goal. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop. So here one example is given about the basketball team. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop. Hoop means there will be one ring. You will play the basketball and put it in the ring. That hoop, it's called as hoop. If nobody passes, then nobody shoots. See, if you can't take the ball and put alone in the basket, you need someone to pass the ball from a opposite team, and by the help of your team members, and you will shoot the ball to the hoop. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop. But nobody passes, then nobody shoot. If nobody is there to pass the ball, then nobody can shoot. And the relay race just can't go on. See, relay. There will be some members standing in the distance, and that the beginning person will bring one stick, we call it as a baton, and it pass it to one member. That this person will pass it to one more, then one more. Then the person will cross the boundary. So like that will be the members. There will be something 4 to 5 members standing in a row, and they will pass the baton. So alone we can't play the relay. Alone you can do the running race, but relay you need a team. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop, but if nobody passes, then nobody shoots. And the relay just can't go on if nobody wants to pass the baton. If the person who is bringing the baton, if he stands in the middle and he won't give to the next person, what you will do? You are going to defeat. So each and every person should have the common goal and equal effort to win the game or to achieve the goal. If nobody passes the baton, if nobody wants to pass the baton, you cannot win the race. We are the parts that make up the whole. See how the body is needed, head, hands, legs, properly, a proper structure to call as it is a human. Like that, each and every member is like a body parts, it's like a parts. When you combine all the members, it becomes a whole part, a whole team. You alone can't call as a team. You need a group of members, then it is called as a team. So we are the parts that make up a whole. So each and every person is important. See, for our body, how hands are important. Without hands we can do anything. Without eyes can we do? Without nose, lips, teeth can we do? Each and every part is important. So like that, in the team, each and every member is important, and they are the separate parts. When you bring that all parts in a group, then it is called a whole team. We are the parts that make up the whole, and we have got our eyes on a common goal. So each and every members will be having the common goal that we are going to win the game, or we are going to complete this work successfully. So like that. So it is we have eyes on common goal. Sometimes it can be a big plus. See, the support, the encouragement of all the team members, it can be a big plus. You can achieve anything. See, we cannot say it is only in the team, in the field, in the games. it is there in our life also. See, our family members, if with the support of our family members we can achieve anything. If we don't have the support, we are not able to do anything. And it can be a big plus when we are having the full cooperation from our family members, the full cooperation from our friends, and support of the whole team. We can achieve anything. There is nothing we can say that we can't achieve with the support of everyone. We need the support and we can achieve anything, and it is a big plus, it is a big energy, it is a strong motivating energy we get when we are supported by other peoples. So it is said that sometimes it can be a big plus when you or a me become an us. See how beautiful line, when you and me, you is separate and me is separate, when you and me become us, it is a big plus. How beautiful the Jan Negro has written this poem. See, when you say that alone I can do, you can't do anything. Alone you can do, you can't do anything. If we both become us, you and me become us, then we can do anything. We can achieve any goal. So it is a beautiful poem written by Jan Negro, and with a beautiful message that the teamwork is very important. You should not say that I am the supreme, I am very strong, I don't want help of anyone, I can do anything. Why I want that person? He is very thin and weak, he can't do anything. See, I'm good, I'm strong. No, this is wrong. You need each and every person in your life to support you. You may not know who is going to help you when you are in bad situation. So teamwork, each and every person of the team is important. Sometimes you say that in the family members, she has become very much old, she is an old lady, that is an old man, he is a grandfather, he can't do anything. No, he also is very important and is a supreme power in the family. He will share his experience, guidance, that is very, very important, and even the blessings. Then when you become young, you say that, see, I am so strong, I can lift anything. What that can old man do? He cannot stand properly, we need to hold him. What he can do? He is no use. Remove him from the team. Can you do like that? No. So you cannot disappoint anyone saying that he is very much fat, he can't do anything, he cannot get up and stand and walk, he is very much thin and lean, he can't do anything, he don't have any energy at all. No, you cannot do like that. Each and every member is important and you have to respect, and that is the real and true happiness when you win something with the support of everyone. Correct? So this is the example, what you do in the field, what you play as a team, in a group what you play, or as a group you perform anything on the stage and you become happy. That is the example in the life. There are many teams. Say when you are working, you will be surrounded with the people with whom you work. In the family, you are with your family members, and each and every member is important. You cannot say that is a small baby, what he can do? He cannot take the milk bottle and can drink. That is also important. When it grow up, it will show his own responsibility. The old people, they are also very important. If they are very thin and lean, they are also very important. So each and every is important. Alone you can't do anything. You need the support of each and everyone. Then only you are going to achieve something. And everybody should have one common goal. Okay? All the team members should have one common goal. Then you are going to get the success. So it's a beautiful poem written by the Jan Negro. Once again I will read the poem. See there. Teamwork, teamwork. Together we can make our dream work. So to achieve something, what we are having in our mind that I have to achieve this thing. So it comes in reality only with the support of others. You alone cannot do. With the support of others you can achieve something. What is there in the dream, what is there in your mind can come into reality only with the support of others. Then we will share the joy what we have done, teamwork, everyone. And the time when it comes, we have to, the time when we need to celebrate our success, we should not forget the members. The people who have supported us, the people who have helped us, we should remember them. See, for example, in a person, if he is very much poor, okay, and he is doing some work and he gets success in that and he becomes rich, we should not say that I alone have done everything. No, you are supported by some or other people, you are guided by some or other people. So you should remember each and everyone and should include everyone in your success, in your celebration. You should say that the credit goes to everyone, because many people are there who have supported. We should not forget them, and during the time of celebration, especially celebration, you should remember each and every person who have supported you. So it's said that teamwork, together we can make our dream work. Then we will share the joy what we have done. Teamwork, everyone. So everyone is important, everyone is having their unique role and their equal effort, and they should be in a group. When the time comes of celebration, you should involve everybody. You should not forget the people who have helped us. It is now here it is an example. It is fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop. If nobody passes, then nobody shoots. See, if you don't have any team at all, what alone you can do? You cannot do. Even if you have to lift a table, you alone can't. You need one more person to hold it, right? So you cannot do alone anything. You need the help of some or other. So one example is here, that is, if you have to play the basketball, if you pass the ball through the hoop, somebody needs to pass the ball. If nobody passes, then nobody shoots. It's fun to shoot the basketball through the hoop. If nobody passes, then nobody shoots. And the relay race just can't go on if nobody wants to pass the baton. So you are standing somewhere near the boundary, and in the beginning line one person is standing, he has to come runningly with the baton, has to pass to you. If that person doesn't give the baton, how can you cross the winning boundary? You cannot cross. So if nobody wants to pass the baton, you cannot play the race, you cannot win the game. And the relay race just can't go on if nobody wants to pass the baton. So these are the two examples given in the poem, that how the team is important. Then in the last paragraph, we are the parts that make up the whole. So alone you cannot do, each and every person is important. So as I told you, see how our body, each and every part, so hand, fingers, head, everything, each and every part we need. So then only we are going to become a whole. Same like that in the team, each and every person is important. Each and every person is important to achieve the goal, and their equal effort and responsibility is needed. We are the parts that make up the whole, and we have got our eyes on a common goal. Everybody should be sincere to achieve that common goal. Nobody should have any wrong thinking in that. Nobody should think negative in that. Everybody should have a common goal, and everybody should play their role and fulfill their responsibility to achieve that common goal. We are the parts that make up the whole, and we have got eyes on a common goal. Sometimes it can be a big plus when you and me become an us. How beautiful. These last two lines are very, very important. See, sometimes it can be a big plus when you and me can become us. Means with the support of each other, we can do anything, we can achieve anything. As I told you, the support of family members, the support of people with whom you are working, the support of friends, each and every is important when you call it as us, we all, not you and me. It should be us and we all. Then only you are going to achieve the goal and you are going to become success in life. It's a beautiful poem written by Jan Negro. Hope you understand the poem, and just turn the page, dear students. Here some meanings are given here. I'll just read out the meanings. What is the meaning of teamwork? The teamwork means combined effort of a group to achieve a goal. Is a combined effort, equal effort of each and every person in a team. Then hoop. What is the meaning of hoop? Hoop means wooden or iron ring along by the child. Means when you play the basketball, there will be one stand and there will be one ring, and you will put the ball inside that ring, that is called as hoop. Then passes means move around. As you the line has the passes has come in between that race. When you pass the baton from one to another, when you pass the ball from one to another, then only you are going to win the game. Then relay race. What do you mean by relay? Almost you are playing during your sports and all. Relay means race between teams of which each person does part of the distance. So each person will be standing at the distance point. There will be the a team, and in each team there will be some 4 to 5 members standing at the distance, and one person from the beginning point, he will come runningly with the baton, he will pass to another, then he will pass to another, then he will pass to another, then the last person will cross the winning boundary. So that is one game we played in a team. Then baton. What do you mean by baton? Baton means a short tube or stick carried in hand for the relay. That they will carry one stick in the hand, that is called as baton. So these are the meanings given in the textbook. You read the poem. If you don't understand anything, you can drop the message, you will clarify your doubts, and if you find any difficult words in that, you can underline, and you can go through with the dictionary, or else you can drop the message, you will clarify your doubts. And regarding the poet, I told you Jan Negro was a New Zealand artist and poet. Okay, born 16th April 1920 and died 28th March 2012. Then teamwork means combined effort of a group. So dear students, hope you understood the message of the poet given through this poem, that we, you and me, if we become us, then it is a big plus. So we can achieve anything in our life when we are supported by each other. We should give equal importance and equal respect for the team people with whom we are working. So it's a beautiful poem written by Jan Negro. Hope you understood the poem. Read it once again. If you find any doubts regarding this, you can drop the message. We will clarify your doubts. Till then, take care. Bye bye.